Good morning, 早安. Welcome to Morning Mandarin. Are you new to the language? Today you know your first Mandarin sentence. 你好，我叫. Hello, my name is. 你好，我叫. 你好 is hello in Mandarin. 你 means you. Remember, it's the singular form, so you can only use it to greet one person. 好 can be an adjective or adverb, meaning good or okay, fine. When a friend wants to know how you think about something, you can say 好. Or when someone asks you if you want to do something and you want to say yes, okay, you can also use 好. Together, 你好 means hello. 我 means I or me. In Chinese, there's no form change between subject and object. So when referring to oneself, it's always 我. 叫 means shout or be called. 叫. Together, 我叫 stands for I am called or my name is. Simply state your name after 我叫. For example, 我叫 Jeff. 我叫 Jenny. In Chinese, this is called a character. It's the smallest unit in a sentence. Characters have their own meanings. In most cases, a character cannot be used alone. 2, 3, or 4 characters form a word. Like 你好, it's a word composed of 2 characters. The letters with tonal marks are called Pinyin. Pinyin is a phonetic system for Mandarin. It uses the English alphabet to spell out the pronunciation of every character. It's also the most common way of typing in Mandarin. That's right, we use the same keyboard to type Mandarin. Don't worry, Pinyin is very simple. They have consonants and vowels, just like English. You'll master it pretty soon. Remember today's new words? 你好，你好，我叫 Jojo. 我叫 Jeff. 你好, Jeff. Let's try again with characters. 你好，你好，我叫 Jojo. 我叫 Jeff. 你好, Jeff. That's all for today. See you next morning.